Hello, everyone, and welcome to the podcast from Siam Center Law Group. Today, we will be discussing the steps involved in filing for divorce in Thailand, a situation that many people may encounter in their lives. The first step is to gather facts from the client, whether they are the husband or the wife. This information will help the lawyer prepare the divorce petition accurately and effectively. Once all the information is complete, the lawyer will draft the petition and file it with the court. This marks the beginning of the legal process. If the spouses have children together, after filing for divorce, they must bring the children to provide testimony to the probation office within 15 days. This is to assess the best interests of the child, and the information will be forwarded to the juvenile court. After everything is completed, the court will schedule both parties for mediation to reach a mutual agreement. If an agreement is reached, the case will be resolved. However, if no agreement can be reached, the process will move on to witness examinations. If the defendant does not contest the case, the court can issue a unilateral divorce judgment, allowing the petitioner to register the divorce immediately without needing the defendant's consent. In cases where a judgment has been granted, the petitioner must take the judgment to the district office or municipality to register the divorce, accompanied by at least 2 witnesses. Lastly, keep in mind that the divorce process may take approximately 5 to 6 months, depending on the complexity of each case. We hope that today's information will be helpful and enhance your understanding of the divorce process. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Goodbye.